Oh yeah, with a claw.
Put the red
Hey,
one
it's
here.
me, video game fuck dog. Today,
No.
I can't fit.
I bet you were doing. Did you say love me? I don't love that.
Alright, maybe we could
Is the pole in focus? It's very important that the pole be in focus for the entire video.
Just start spinning around it, eating the chip.
I wonder. We'll find a way. I'll Eric Andre it at the end.
How do you
Eric Andre.
How do you eat your chips?
With pizza, of course. So we're gonna wait for the pizza, because otherwise, that would be disgusting.
No. Down.
Finicky.
She's black. Oh, what?
Oh, I gotta check and see. It's not that good, eh? Yeah, it looks good. Oh, wow.
That wasn't me. Don't worry.
Was it the dog?
Yeah.
The mics weren't live. One more time.
Popcorn. Huh?
One more time. I had the audio off. With the. There we go. That sounded fake.
Huh?
Sounds fake, man.
Well, it was pure, real
It's not the same.
flatulence.
Dude, can I lower it a little bit?
You know, you could take the pole down.
I know, but that's work.
Oh my god.
Do you lower it?
Yeah, I wanna. Yeah, I'll lower it.
You'd have to set it on a level surface.
That doesn't make any sense. How? That's impossible.
How about on this?
Bumblebee.
Let's try.
Flippity flumblebee.
Or turn the chair around.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and just set it on the thing. Big brain. Damn, I'm lucky y'all are here.
Also, couldn't you just move the green screen into the living room?
Also
Maybe.
work.
Maybe.
And
But this is here.
But the green screen does look. Like, is the green screen for purpose?
No, not really. It's not for memes. Like, I'm just gonna like put an ocean in the back or like some lava
Oh,
throughout the
okay,
video. It's
alright.
just gonna be whatever.
So it is for purpose. You're gonna do something with it.
Yeah. Oh.
That's why I got a case.
And a screen protector.
And it's free.
And it's
Well, the case and screen protector were not, but, you know.
I just had a small heart attack.
Yeah.
I can't reach over this thing. There was no way I was helping. But yeah, the pole can be like to the side or whatever.
No, I'm trying to get the screen and the whole shot.
Well, I'm not that worried about it. As long as you can see you and me. We are the... Or just me if you don't want to be in it, I guess.
No, hell no,
Go
I don't
ahead.
want to
So
be
I
in
need someone else to take
Fuck
the
that
phone.
one.
What do we even get? Boozies? I don't know about little boozy.
Alright, there we go. This is
These are prison snacks.
This is going good.
Prison puffs are what I'm calling these.
Are we sitting or standing?
I'm gonna have to stand, unfortunately. Unless you have another idea. I'm open to ideas. Abby, do you
Yes.
know of small seating things?
nope.
Okay.
All of our chairs are weirdly short
Or tall?
or tall.
Yeah. Yeah, we have all the wrong size chairs.
Yeah, you know, when you and her weren't dating and you would invite me over all the time, I would constantly tell you, your house does not have things. Chairs was one of those things.
Now I have a lot of chairs, they're just all wrong.
Comfortable chairs. Chairs that normal people would sit in.
Look at that one though. I found that one on the side of the road.
Oh.
That one on the side of the road.
On the side of the
I
road.
may have found a few of these on the side of the road. But hey, look at these chips. Owie. Ooey.
Oh, man. 5 minutes of nonsense.
It's going in the...
None of this can be
Overall.
used.
No, it's all good. It's gold.
The stripper pole is just in the worst spot.
Oh.
Calm down.
It's literally the worst spot.
Or,
I'm gonna move it. How do you
how do you get it down? Don't do that.
twist it, right?
It has a tool that it will,
Oh yeah, he's right. That's no, he's right. That's too much work. Tool? No, once it requires a tool, it's too much work.
Oh my god.
Alright, do you know where that tool is?
You think he like drew that Squidward?
Probably.
Oh.
Robert,
Wait.
where's the tool?
What tool?
To take the pole down.
Oh.
It's like a, like,
It's the tool kit. Wait, I want to review this too. Hey,
no.
so in today's tool kit
Just
review,
hand it to me.
I just want to do a practice. It's a warm up. I don't know about these things. You know,
The whole
these are too
woman
circular.
down.
Yeah.
That's way too circular, to be honest. These two things.
You go back.
Just
It goes
one
in the
thing.
hole, and then it's just so that it spins down.
Bet. We got this. I'll be
The
back
hole is heavy,
momentarily.
just so you know, and you don't just like let it fall. Or let the chair fall.
Tumbly. Flippity dum. And then you put it through the thing and then spin.
Right side, left loose?
Yeah, exactly. The correct way. Don't spin the wrong way.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh
Just
yeah, you
enough
know
that,
if it's
like-
working if it's not attached to the roof.
I am so scared that it's just gonna.
And then
I got it. Don't worry.
could be a. And then you saw it on camera. He struck me.
Alright.
That top thing, if you lift it up, it can come off.
Nice.
Unless you want Rupert to climb up
Crazy.
there. Because he's
Oh yeah, no, I'd go a little bit further. A
Yeah.
little bit further.
Yes.
It's greasy, isn't it?
why would it be greasy?
It is. It feels weird.
It's
Or maybe
probably
it's not.
dusty.
There's some lubrication.
Yeah.
Why would it do that?
Just so
that
it twists better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's.
You want that pole?
Ooh.
I want that paw.
Oh, the thingy that you were using before.
No.
It's fancy.
I'm like, this is the pole.
Wait, what are the letters? There are other
Here, I got
flavors?
this in my hand. You can crawl down to that.
Take. Made in China.
Were there other kinds of colored popcorn?
No. Well,
There,
there's
well, there
different
was
flavors.
actually.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
This is C.
Oh, those are sizes.
That's a size.
But they had
Bunch of
they had
popcorn.
so many different flavors. They had cookie and cream. They
Does that
had
say number
chocolate. I think they had coffee. They had they had birthday cake.
Oh, I gotta go there next weekend.
Thank you, Bash.
I need it.
Since Robert probably
They had one called Tropical Storm. It's like
That was work.
it's
Rob.
like
You
blue
were
and
correct.
pink.
It's like what?
It's like blue and pink. I don't know what the flavors are.
Oh man, it looks like a living room. Dang. I think the pole should be over there.
Yeah,
I
used
want
to be.
it. I want it to be where the light is.
Yeah, the light
The
is
light
not
is there.
And I mean, without the lights, we don't walk in there.
Well, you could put it like.
But if it's like next to it, it looks
Weird.
You should put it like right here.
But then you kick everything.
Yeah. Cause imagine you're spinning your full body on that thing.
Yeah.
Sideways.
What about maybe here?
And then it looks kind of retarded.
We've
It's been here before.
Yeah.
This is the only, unless we put it in the middle of the living room.
This is just.
Oh no, look, this tape, man, this tape.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, my point has been proven. Point proven, Rob. It's been proven.
No.
Yes.
Do we want to do
help you?
Smokus?
Yo.
Yeah.
Where did you guys go?
St. Armand's.
I need
Circle.
the St. Armand's.
Same place that we got this. We got the
Let's
ramen.
go.
They had like this big gummy sushi kit. It was just fake sushi.
Oh, I'm into that.
They also had some poppin' cookums there.
Hello.
Well, let's go see what Corey doing. Corey, yeah.
Where's
I'm gonna have to edit all this out.
What is good, Corey? You are on YouTube video
I
time.
am a Call of the Madudi.
Call of the Madudi.
Where are all the bad guys at? Are they behind me?
As you can see, Corey's top 500 in the
Yeah,
nation.
bro, I'm fucking Grandmaster up in here. How do I
What
get
the?
out?
Wait, were you flying? I thought that was a. What was that?
That was a drone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, recon, bro.
And so the smell of it, I just get the taste in my mouth whenever I smell that specifically. Right? I'm like, wanna die. Someone got so close to me.
Because we doing the stuff. Say hi.
Don't say
Those my keys? No, they are not. Alright, I'm gonna. Yeah,
You use that for toilet tissue.
you can.
Really?
Yeah, you could try to make an edibles. Usually people use mids for edibles, so
Well, if it's too expensive to just use.
straight up kush.
I think there's a
That
slight angle.
bomb. Yeah, we're gonna move it just a little bit closer.
And then like slightly
Like right about there. It's good.
counterclockwise. For me, clockwise for you. So like this way.
The orange is definitely my favorite.
Orange.
It was a northwest.
Wait, it's good like that. That's why I got the grid lines.
Not like that?
Let me see.
If you're looking from the outside, that's it. Oh, that's perfect.
If you want it like
Okay,
that.
here. Yeah, I mean, you are very square in it. I'm trying to figure out if the table is. Wow, this is the most effort I've ever put into recording anything. I mean, you know, honestly, I could just crop the video. So
Yeah.
I put this nice and far back, and then I crop the video, so that all this extra shit is still.
I do that with InShot.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this whole After Effects thing. I've
After
done-
Effects,
The closer is the better.
After
the
Effects
quality
and
will be.
Premiere are the two best video.
Oh,
Autofocus in on this.
true. That's a good point. All right, yeah. I won't lie. Then we gotta crouch a little bit, because right now your head is not in the shot. It's like cut off right here.
Oh, I keep thinking that we got one of those stools.
I know.
Nah, I wish we
There's
did.
one
Doesn't
dog.
make sense.
There's one dog that
Maybe
would
we can find one?
like actually chew on his like dish, and it would. Oh, I would actually have to get gloves to pick it up because I just didn't want to touch it with my actual hands. Because just the slime is enough to make me wretch.
We do have
If it's enough of it.
Yo, we literally have 2 of those, so if that fits, I sits. This is the most ghetto set in the world.
Hey, I mean, if you don't put a lot of weight on the table, it looks nice.
Welcome to Hollywood.
Fake it till you make it, man.
Literally.
Bet. Alright, we're today.
That's
Oh
what-
no.
Like I said,
Don't leave on the table.
don't put a lot of weight on that
That's
table.
what influence.
Unless you really want to.
Yeah. Well, if you're gonna put weight right in the middle.
Right here. This is the
As
weight
much
zone.
weight as you want, right?
A lot of
in the
weight
middle.
would be nice, actually. Extra weight.
Is there anything we can put on the side? No, that's not.
Nah. I think this is as nice as it's gonna
Hey,
get.
this is 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'm
Mhm.
good.
Could make a movie.
For real. It's gonna be called What These Chips Taste Like. We're gonna find out. I'm kind of excited. I've been looking at
Ooh,
them.
I got the. Oh wait, no.
No, well,
I got these. I'm trying these.
Now don't open them yet.
No,
What
no.
is massive cat somebody ran?
Sour cream. Yeah, I'm trying not to read them too much. I'm gonna keep it like a movie. Oh yeah, I gotta do this.
We gotta get a thumbnail shot. you know what I mean?
There.
But let's not do the stupid. You know what I mean?
Or do we? With the colored.
No. We gotta be like.
Ooh,
this,
okay.
you know what I mean?
I like it. I
yeah,
like it.
the
We're
wrap
like
shit. The poison.
track suits.
Mhm.
Alright, track
We can get them in some Nico outfits, and then they can
Okay.
be like right here.
No.
suits. By them, you mean me, right?
Of course.
Excellent. I don't know if we're gonna be able to stack the chips.
Well, this is just gonna be for the thumbnail. So. Damn.
Maybe I'll hold it, or you hold it and I'll take a picture.
Yeah.
You know, I've never done a custom
Wait.
thumbnail.
How about someone else take the picture? Because you gotta be in it.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Melinda, you wanna take the picture?
Actually. How about we hand me that ramen bottle right there?
Even though it's empty.
Yeah. Well,
Why is this going in?
because it's just gonna hold up the bag. You see,
Oh.
big brain up in here.
Oh,
All right.
it's like to scale.
Okay.
Look at that.
Let me know when to take the picture.
All right.
Why are you making gross faces?
Well, there's one.
All right. Yeah.
Nailed it.
Okay.
I'm done.
Let's see
I
how.
don't even see it. I want to get more of those soda stream
I
bottles.
mean, I didn't stop it. I just took a picture.
Oh.
In Volco. Bash got another one.
You have to stop the
Now
video.
I have 3
Look
rat
at it.
chips.
Yeah.
My YouTube channel's gonna be like the most nonsensical, like, oh, it's ESXi and rat chips.
Oh, the chips aren't very centered, so it's whatever.
That's okay. I can always crop it.
I thought you were smoking weed for a second.
Hookah, bro. That's what I'm smoking.
I can't believe they have hookah.
I'm jealous of this one. Y'all seen it?
Would you have that phone case?
Absolutely. And I
They
show
wanted-
everybody.
They originally wanted like $40 for that phone case.
What the fuck?
Yeah, but we got it for like 10, $11.
Oh, this is enough to like roll, son.
Yeah.
Oh, true.
But
I already
yeah, nothing
smoked
to roll.
what you gave me.
Yeah.
Actually, we
Yeah.
do.
You have a blunt?
Yeah,
Huh?
we do.
You got a blunt?
Where's
I
the keys?
Oh, has there been a blunt in the
Huh?
bar?
Yeah, where's the keys?
Can she bathroom?
Yeah. No.
You know what?
It's off
Oh
limits.
no.
God, are you guys gonna tell me no someday? Is that why you asked? Just in
maybe.
case you want to reserve the ability to tell me
Yeah,
no?
you got one no.
No, I just asked
Fuck
in
you,
case
man.
anybody in this household needs to use it more than
Like, no, I'm about to shower. Fuck you.
Maybe y'all got used condoms in there.
Ho ho!
It's time.
You are
Just
approaching
take a
me.
shower.
Ho ho!
This guy's got a better ESXi.
You are approaching me.
Oh shit.
I cannot whoop your ass without coming closer.
Someone beat my ESXi video by a lot.
He doesn't get it.
I did show him this video, and he laughed at how overdone it was.
Yeah, you've seen like the first couple episodes of that, eh?
The dude's
Yeah,
like,
just don't
whoa, come as close as you'd
I
like.
don't necessarily get what's happening, except that it's so over
I
exaggerated.
don't really understand why they turn into other people momentarily when they fight each other.
Is that how JoJo works?
Yeah, you can see it's like their spirit fighter. And then they hit each other, and then it goes back to how they really look, and there's like a mark where they hit each other in their minds. It's weird.
I'm gonna let's see that.
This guy made a 30-minute video.
I'm magical. I rolled my first
Oh.
blood in Miami.
How'd it come out?
Shit.
Yeah.
Like
I'm
mine.
gonna make one more video in the near future.
Like,
Because
I
of
don't
this.
know. He said it was about
This has way more views than mine, and it's 35
Oh.
minutes long.
It might be a
So I'm gonna literally put the exact same title, remove the full 47, and have it be like 30 seconds. You put the flash drive, like probably crudely drawn too. Put the flash drive in. Put the flash drive. Press F12.
What?
Instead of
is
running
the
away from me, you were
chances
actually
of
coming closer.
After this and shit, you'll play Red Dead tonight.
Oh, I got it downloading. It should be done downloading right now. So I'm gonna go home and boot it up.
Just like
I'm
I was,
sure.
I'm gonna be
this,
playing this
I was this close to getting the Ultimate Edition just so I could stomp my horse. Cause you get like this decked out black horse
Yeah, I didn't know what you got.
with a nice ass saddle. I just got the regular one.
No, I mean I didn't know like
Yeah.
the other.
There's a special edition and that comes with like stuff for your camp set and like some clothes, and then there's the Ultimate Edition that came with a horse and some other stuff.
Apparently, you gotta be super careful about what horse, because your first mission is to steal a horse, and they end up giving you that horse.
Really?
So you gotta be careful, choose the right horse to steal, because that will become your horse.
That's one of the horse.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna be sure to pick the like three-legged
I'm so
diabetic.
pissed.
I was about to say pick the
I was
dingus.
so pissed because that mission, people joined
You're
me,
still talking.
and then the person took the horse I wanted.
Damn.
There's a horse. I was like, oh, it's beautiful, and then someone else jumped
I
on
wonder
it.
if any
And then they ended
time
up
in history
dying.
ever has
yeah,
It
you're
started a
gonna
fight.
fight like this. Yeah, the kids
I
fight
was
like
so
teenagers.
I'd track him down and
My
find him.
power far
I
exceeds
didn't have
yours.
time
Me and my brother.
because it was like their timed missions and stuff. I was
like, you
so
don't
mad.
grab.
Do a drive-by on a horse.
I mean, that's how
Oh
it
yeah,
usually
well
goes.
I got.
Yeah, that's how it
ice
is. Straight up.
that it freezes
That's
the
how it
fire.
is.
Honestly, every
I,
time.
I didn't realize that the PC Red Dead is like it's actually completely different from the console Red Dead.
Oh,
Like
sorry.
completely at all.
Like lots of
when on console there was no online Red Dead for like a while. It was just like the base story game, and I think the story game for the PC isn't even like out yet. I was reading something for it. It's like they're adding to it or something. but
Oh,
it's a
because you
little-
can play the story, just
Yeah.
We have not.
I think the story is a little bit different on PC than
Except-
console.
Huh.
I'm
it's already made me cry twice.
Really?
When did you shoot a dog again?
No, I accidentally kicked the dog because I thought I could pet
Oh.
it, and she like hit punts it, and it made me so sad that I had to stop playing. And then the other time I cried
Because the
was,
noise. It's
Yeah, it
and it
whimpers.
ran away, and I was like, no.
You are a monster.
I didn't need to. I wanted to.
Yeah, that
pet
dog's
it.
dead now. The internal bleeding.
It's not dead.
Yeah.
And then the second time was
It's dead.
sometimes you see little white dots, which are missions that you can just, if you follow, sometimes you get stuff. And it was a dog. And I
Is
was
this
like,
more
what the
animal
heck?
cruelty?
No.
It's not her.
It was
That's
a
fucked up, man.
dog.
She's a
And
pattern of behavior.
So it like kept barking, so I followed it.
You
It
said,
went to a
"Fuck
dead
you."
woman.
Shut the
No, it went to a dead woman. It laid down and started crying, like whimpering, and I was like, what do I do?
That's
So she skinned the dead woman.
No, I didn't know if I was like supposed to bring it to a graveyard or something
Or
or what.
back
I
to
was
life.
like, I picked it up, and then the dog started running away. So I started to follow it,
You
but the
fucked
white
up.
dot went away. So I was like,
You stole
is
it.
there nothing to do here?
Were you sad?
Is it just to make you sad?
Yeah, it literally made me cry.
We don't
That's
know.
really sad.
Same.
And like again, I had to stop playing because I was like, okay, Key, come here, please. Let me love you.
What's with this game and dogs?
I was strolling by a farm, and I thought I saw an animal, and I was just talking about accidentally doing this. And I, boom, and it says murder. Like, oh.
Have you played the first one or no? Oh, if you think that the second one is
I can't handle
it
it.
doesn't have to do with
John,
dogs.
Even
It
if
has
my
to
like horse
has to
gets
do with-
hurt or anything, I'm like,
Bro, I accidentally shot a dog in a hunting game. And I shot my dog, and I literally started crying. I'm like, this is a little warped here. I'm like,
Dog
shooting
Hunter
deer.
3000.
I'm like, over here shooting deer,
The
and
ultimate
the
chase.
dog is where I
I
draw
won't,
the
I
line.
won't kill foxes.
Me neither.
I have yet to kill a fox,
She's
and if
scared
I
of
kill a
foxes.
coyote, I had to mercy kill a coyote.
I try to avoid them in Fallout whenever I play. I'm like, because they have pups.
Mm.
And I'm like, I don't want to kill the little babies.
No.
But they like literally attack you on sight.
Are you having fun around her?
No.
Oh.
Oh, I just kind of started rolling a blunt.
What is?
When will the pizza be?
Yeah, Corey, are you pizza man?
Yeah, go get it.
Oh, come on,
Are
Papa
you
John,
serious?
go get it.
Yeah, I need to go like sign up for Uber.
He did Uber Eats pickup.
Yeah.
Hey, we did that once.
I did that and I felt so stupid. Why didn't I just call the restaurant?
What?
Why did I give Uber Eats any of my money? I could have just ordered from the restaurant and picked it up.
There was no fee, I thought. I
There
thought it was
is.
literally just like that.
No, it was like a laziness thing. We were presented with a menu and then the opportunity to go pick it up because it was right next to us. And we took it. Oh, Uber Eats, give me money.
Yeah, I'm going for Uber now.
Yeah. I have enjoyed my career at Uber. It really kickstarted my new lifestyle in which my loving family loves me and my mom is not dead and we're all happy.
Oh, I thought you were watching this.
Everyone just laughed.
No.
There we go. Blunt, Mr. Blunt Man.
Hunger.
You hunger.
I'm dying.
That's what she says. She
I
says
think
she's
how I
going-
made it-
She says she's going to wither away.
That's what I
And
say.
she goes bleh. And she pretends to die like a hot ghost.
So do you.
Mm.
Calling me out. Do the same thing if I don't pack a bowl quick enough.
Alright, Corey, which one do you think is going to be best? Green, red, or
Obviously,
red?
The red.
Yeah,
Wait.
the red.
The middle one.
No, the far red.
Oh, the boozies.
No, those are the ones I got.
Yeah, those look the spiciest.
Alright, true. Little boozy probably have good taste in chips.
See, I think I would naturally eat the first or second one.
Let's see.
Like, if I was to buy them in a store.
Yeah.
Oh
Is
my
it-
god. I'm trying not
The
to
most
read them too
appealing
much.
bag
It's
is
so
definitely this one.
fun.
Definitely, yeah. That's
Wait
the
till you
best.
fucking read them. They're so stupid. Oh my god.
God, the
What am
booth.
I doing with my life?
The booth is rolled.
Ah!
How did you not know what a boof was? What
Oh,
else
I
could
could
a
straight
boof?
out the booth.
Where
What
do I
would a
put
boof
this? It doesn't
possibly
fit in our
mean?
cabinet.
Like, why would you bring a bitch out of a booth? That doesn't make any
Robert.
sense.
I guess you just kind of slide it in.
This doesn't fit in our cabinet.
That's okay.
Where do I put it?
In me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Put it in
All
there.
right. Oh.
No. It won't fit.
So the camera's still recording. That definitely got.
Wait, what
The extended cut will be rated X.
What was it?
Something
I
like
was
this.
talking about shoving the bottle
matter.
in his butt.
Oh, and Rob was like,
And
yes,
he said, let me put
please.
my
No.
dick in it.
So hey, when I run for president, none of this stuff is like, y'all don't remember this. It's
Remember
gone.
that time President
different.
Rob said, yes, please?
Nope.
Bottle,
Wait till
bottle up my butt.
No, actually.
And then mentioned something about his
Bruno
dick.
Mars is gay.
Yo, quit trying to get me in trouble unless
I
this
know
blunt.
Bruno Mars is a security guard.
Does Bruno, do you not know that meme?
But does he is
Oh.
gay?
Does Bruno Mars is gay?
No.
3.
Might be
That
right.
was an actual article.
What?
And then the article is just as like crazy.
And then
as
Bruno
this
Mars
stuff.
is reading it like,
It's like
What?
rumor has it that Bruno gay, like it's really bad.
You'd have a hard
So-
time trying to speak English as poorly as they do.
that's like Google translated it from Chinese to English.
Yeah.
I think
And
that's
then
probably what happened.
Back to Chinese and then back to English.
And then YouTube captions did.
Yeah, it's so
Hey,
bad.
YouTube captions are good.
Have you seen YouTube caption videos where they do a video, read the captions, and then they do a video of saying what the captions said?
No, I have not. That's
Oh.
my last one.
Hilarious.
Yeah, you're gonna show me on the phone.
Yeah, but we're recording now.
Extended cut.
I
How
know,
much storage you have?
why are you not doing the video?
Yeah,
Yeah,
are we
are we
gonna?
gonna smoke the blunt first, or are we gonna do the chips first?
We're gonna do both
I
at
was
the
gonna-
same time.
Yeah, why not?
Then you're gonna be.
Let's just put the ashtray over
We're
here.
gonna be smoking on YouTube. Good.
Yeah, that's fine. I think that's allowed.
Demonetized.
No, you can smoke. We're in Colorado. That's legal.
Alright, I'm gonna end this video now.
Why?
Cause this is too long.
Okay.
You're gonna trim all this out anyway.
You wanna
Did
come
you just
to a
take
cameo eventually?
You can trim all this out.
Welcome to oh, that's nasty. To some chips review today. We're gonna review wrap chips. Starting with, we've got Wrap Snacks by the Migos, sour cream with a dab of ranch.
Alright, we got Boozy's Louisiana Heat Cheese Puffs. These I'm a eat these.
Yeah.
And then we got Lil Yachty's Hot Fries. And it says ooh wee, so I'm guessing it's hot.
Okay. So I just opened up the sour cream.
We're finally opening.
Yeah, I figured fuck it.
Bet.
It's kind of not as much of a pungent smell as I'd expect.
And it's yeah, you're right. It just kind of
Oh.
smells like a bag.
Okay. I've had this before. I'm on to you, Migos. I'm on to you.
Yeah, I'm not really tasting anything.
That's just Lay's sour cream and onion.
I mean, this would be good for the munchies, but if you're looking for hot fries, no, cheese puffs.
So,
That's a no from me.
yeah.
But they're alright, you know.
What do you think of these?
Huh?
What do you think of these?
Oh yeah. No, that's all.
That just tastes like some.
Try that. It looks more seasoned than this though.
Yeah, these are like default ass Lays.
No,
Well, not default, but
no, these
how-
are dang. These are
Really?
just fluff.
You like those?
These are good. I like that.
But they're
It's better than like the
Ooh.
what's that brand?
okay, Boozy.
What's the brand that makes the sour cream and onion? And the green
Is it
bag?
Lay's? That's Lay's.
Is it Lay's? I know Lay's makes it, but there's like another. It's from Philadelphia though. But those are better than the Lay's ones, definitely.
Okay.
Way
Alright.
better.
These are fucking awesome.
Really?
Uh-huh.
So you like those and I like those, but I don't like those. and you
Okay,
don't.
alright, they polarize.
These are
It's
good.
different.
These are bomb.
No, Boozy, you keep doing what you're doing, man.
No flavor.
They're spicy. Okay, so yeah, they're a little light on the cheese, but they make up for it with
Alright.
the kick.
I thought these were hot fries, but these look just like the cheese puffs
Okay.
that Boozy has here.
No, they're a little redder.
That's not like a hot fry.
No more intimidating.
Mm-mm.
That's just happening.
But
Yeah.
these are a little bit better than those.
Alright, let's see.
These got more flavor. And
So
they're
far,
hot.
those are the only ones that I would buy again.
Really? Alright, but I would not get these.
Alright, well, fuck your endorsement.
These are third in my opinion. Those are a little bit better.
Question.
No?
Did these rappers try their chips? You think?
I mean, I probably, yeah, I assume so. Probably got a few bags lying around. But in my opinion, these sour cream with the Death Ranch by Migos, definitely the best.
Okay.
These
Alright,
are
just, let's hear it.
I usually don't like sour cream. It's sort of creamy. I don't know how to describe it. It's just like a sweeter, less sour cream and onion.
Alright, let's get we got a hot feature review.
Alright, let me in on these.
Corey sponsor here.
Okay, I don't know if I'm in the
Those are the best in my opinion.
Okay, I don't believe you.
Those taste like, well,
I like-
I'll withhold my opinion. Let you decide.
I think that's a
Dab.
dab.
Don't, no.
Dab of ranch.
Those are awful.
Those are awful.
Okay,
Those
that's
are
hilarious.
good. All right.
I thought they tasted like, well, they're not bad.
They're
They're
sweet. They're so sweet.
Yeah, they're sweeter than they are sour.
Those
they are
taste like
kind of
nothing.
sweet.
Yeah, they no
Those
flavor.
taste like fucking cardboard.
No flavor to these two, but these just have a little bit more flavor.
Yeah, this is the one that got me wondering if you try their chips, because I taste this and it tastes like emptiness
These are
with hot.
these are more cardboard.
Yeah. Yeah.
These are
Okay.
not- no,
Now, if
no,
you did a 1, 2, 3, what would it be? 1 being the best. He doesn't like any of them.
They're god
Rapper.
awful.
Apparently
These
they're
have
all
been sitting
bad
here.
to Corey.
These have been sitting here for a month. I've been so excited.
Yeah, I've been sitting here for a while.
Well,
That's your
hey,
fault.
well, hold on, okay. But if you compare them to his hair, that's really close. So that's really close. Okay.
Yep, it's like eating Lil Boozie's hair.
This is Lil Yachty.
Okay, it's like
Ah.
eating Lil Yachty's hair.
Lil Boozy don't have hair.
Some of them like that.
I mean, that's about what I would expect
These
Lil
are the
Yachty's
best.
hair tastes like.
These are good.
Alright, we want to get some more guest
I'm
reviews.
done.
Anybody? Alright, well, I'll sit here and eat these by myself then. So, yeah, there you have it, folks.
So yeah, the rest of the video is just gonna be me finishing these 3 boxes of
Yeah.
bags of chips.
That's exactly right. Let's see. I'm going to take 1 and 2. Oh, I didn't really talk about the ingredients. Let's do that real quick.
Uh
This is going to be nasty.
oh. Uh
I don't know why I'm doing this. I put it
You
on the
gotta-
other. Oh.
Bro, it's like a feature. The most
Pretty good
ambitious
song.
crossover in rap history.
These are the most calories, in case you're counting. They listed spice. Just spice. Just,
Cause that ain't sketch.
This is very vague.
you know, some spice, a little bit of that. Talk about fake weed. That's how they made their money. Alright, Boozy, I'm back to you. I think we got this little Louisiana relationship. It's intimate.
No flavor.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. It's less flavorful than a puffy Cheeto, but slightly more spicy. These have the least. This is like emptiness with hot Cheeto dust on it. But don't be afraid of being
So
different.
your personality.
Be afraid of being the same as everyone else. Lil Yachty. So that's why these are different, because he didn't want them to be like the good ones. Different. Lil Yachty, in case we ever meet, don't be mad at me, man. This is a non-biased review, you know.
Me and this one.
Okay, bye guys.
Oh, it's cold out.